Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Everyday Technology. Nate here, back at you with episode 2 of the budget tech unboxing here on Everyday Technology. And today we have a lot of great budget tech products that I'm sure all of you guys will enjoy. And some of you might know what they are, some of you might not know what these tech products are. But anyways, let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so to start things off, we are going to be taking a look at and unboxing the Anker USB 3.0 hub. So let's get this bad boy unboxed. I actually did that for once. So here is the hub itself. It's pretty straightforward. You plug it into one USB port on your computer, and it turns it into 4 others. So that is pretty cool. I will definitely be using this a lot for when I'm importing media to my computer. Alright guys, so the second product that we are going to be taking a look at is the Zoom H1 portable stereo recorder. Now a lot of people in the YouTube tech community really like this recorder because it sounds really good, and it's only around $70, so I decided to check it out because I don't have a mic jack on my camera, so I needed something to put on my camera when I'm not around my studio to record some really good quality audio. So let's get this opened. This one, I don't know if I need scissors for this one. Nope, that was very easy. We're for creators. Yeah. And here it is. It feels very, very light, but I have heard from a lot of different people that it is actually very good. So I am really happy with the Zoom H1's build and all of the different buttons that it has on it. And if you're looking for a really good portable recorder that is very budget friendly, I would definitely consider checking this one out, because as I said before, it's only $70. I may be reviewing this in the future, but probably I will just be putting it in some sort of top tech under a certain price point video, so hopefully in that video I'll be able to give you guys a sound test. Alright, on to our third product of the day, and that is the Logitech Triathlon mouse. Now the mouse I have right here is the Logitech N510, and it's okay for beginners and things like that. But when you start using it for long periods of time, when you're doing video editing and stuff, it gets very bothersome, and it isn't as responsive as something like this. So I'm very happy to get this open and see how it works. Now I probably will need scissors for this. Whoa. Okay, I think I have it opened. Oh, I could have just done that. Well, that was very stupid of me. Okay, here it is. Wow, this feels really nice. Really good quality. Let me pull this thing because that's what turns it on. And wow, this feels really amazing in the hand. And you can connect it to 3 separate devices as well, which is very, very cool and a very nice feature to have. I actually have a keyboard, Logitech keyboard. I don't know what the name of it is, but it has the same feature and I really like it. So very cool. I'm gonna put it right on my Slick Wraps Dark Lord mouse pad that I just got as well. So I'm gonna put that on there, and yes, that feels very nice. Very, very nice mouse. If you're looking for a very, very budget, this thing only goes for around $30, $40. It's very budget friendly, and it feels really nice in the hands, and I'm pretty sure it performs excellently. So if you're looking for a very budget friendly mouse, and you're going to be doing some really intense video editing or things like that, then I would consider checking this one out. Alright, on to fourth product, and this is a desktop, laptop, and monitor stand, because I kind of need some place to put all these gadgets and like my Bose speaker. I think it would look really good right there, and I could also put my Anker USB hub in there, and it raises the monitor as well for me, so I don't have to bend my neck, and it's really a really nice thing to have so you don't hurt your neck when you're doing long sessions of video editing. So I'm really excited to get this one open as well. Let's get it cracked open. I have a feeling this is gonna require some assembly, so we may have to wait to the end of the video to actually show it to you. Well, they really taped it good, didn't they? You know what? We're gonna go savage style. Just rip it open. Yes, we got it! Whoa! Yes, it does require some assembly, which, you know, I'm expecting. Okay. Well, there are some pretty good instructions that are in English, so that is good. I'm very happy to see that, because sometimes they're like in Latin or something. So yeah, I'm actually going to put this together off camera, and at the end of the video, I'll show you what my desk looks like after all of these great tech accessories are on it. So we're going to set this down here. Now the next thing that we're going to be opening up is probably my favorite tech product that we're going to be opening today, and that is the EverydayTechnology camera slider. So if you don't know what a camera slider is, I'll explain it very quickly for you. When you see those really good tech YouTubers moving in on a product like this very smoothly, they're using a camera slider. And I really wanted to be able to do those type of shots, and they're very hard to do with a traditional tripod. So this guy only goes for around $30, and it got some really good reviews. So I really wanted to check it out and show it to you guys in case some of you guys out there who are also tech reviewers might want to get this to improve your overall video quality. So let's get it cracked open. This one is very easy to open. I like that packaging. Alright, here's the zipper. This is a very nice carrying case. Even though I might not be taking it anywhere, it still is a great thing to have. So here it is. It's actually, I'm pretty sure it's carbon fiber. So wow. And you can loosen it. Whoa. That feels amazing. This is such a great camera slider for the price. I really like its design, I really like its build quality, and I would recommend it to anybody who really wants to amp up their video quality. And that's it for the unboxing segment of the video. Now I will be putting together my monitor stand and showing you that, so do not go anywhere. So yeah, we're having some technical difficulties putting this thing together. The screws are way too big for the holes, and the screwdriver I have right now sucks. So I'm not actually going to be able to show it to you today. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I know this, of all the products to have something go wrong with, this is probably the least important because it's not really a tech product, but it is something that is very nice to have on your desk. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you later. Peace.